Hi everyone, welcome back to Network Guru. Just got a new or reset iPhone but don't have a SIM card? No worries, in this video I'll show you how to activate your iPhone without a SIM card easily. Let's get started. Method 1. Turn on your iPhone and start the setup process. When you reach the No SIM card installed message, tap OK. Connect to a Wi-Fi network when prompted. Follow the on-screen instruction to complete the setup. Once done, your iPhone will be activated without a SIM card. Method 2. If Wi-Fi activation doesn't work, try it iTunes. Download and install the latest version of iTunes on your PC or Mac. Connect your iPhone to the computer using a USB cable. Open iTunes and will detect your iPhone. Click Setup as new iPhone and follow the on-screen instructions. Once completed, your iPhone will be activated and ready to use. Things to keep in mind. Activation requires a Wi-Fi connection or iTunes. Some carriers may require a SIM card for full functionality. Without a SIM, you can still use your iPhone for Wi-Fi, apps and FaceTime. If activation is blocked, try inserting a SIM temporarily to complete the process. That's it. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.